Hello and welcome to my page. My name is William and today I want to share with you a short step-by-step Kahoot tutorial about creating new activities or using activities that are already there in the system to make it a lot easier for you. So let me introduce you guys to this platform. Before that, let me let you know that Kahoot is one of the most employed gamification tools that has gained popularity among teachers around the world. Why? Because it helped them with their reinforcing activities and to ice break. So you might be asking yourself, William, what is Kahoot? Well, guys, let me tell you, Kahoot is one of the game-based learning platform that is being used as an educational technology in schools and in educational institutions. So let's dive in. Well guys, so Kahoot, this is the website, right? So you go to kahoot.com. You sign up for free, as we can see here. Sign up for free. Once you sign up, then you choose the account type you want to work with. In this case, we're working with teacher account. So you hit teacher and then you start creating filling out all the requirements they ask you for. In this case, I already have an account, so I will log in. Log in with my account, log in with my Google account. Okay. And here we go. So I would teach you how to create. First step, okay? How to create a Kahoot. Well, you have different options. You have templates you can use as well, or create a brand new one from scratch. So in this case, I'm going to teach you how to create from scratch. So you create here. The first thing you want to do is place a title. Enter a title for your activity. So in this case, my title is Kahoot tutorial. Okay, if I want to, it's optional, but I always recommend you to place a description so it make it easier for students and even for the ones that want to use it. Okay, so you can either place in this case Kahoot tutorial, making it easier for teachers, for other teachers. Okay, and done. That is the title and description of this activity. So the first question, okay, we can either add a question. This is a quiz type, but we have different ones. You have a, let me show you here. You also have true or false, type the answer, puzzles, you have polls as a survey, you have word cloud, open-ended, and slide. You can even create slides here and make it collaborative with others to work it as together with you. Okay, so we're going to work with the first one. We're going to ask the question, what is Kahoot? Okay, the time limit is optional, it's up to you. I usually recommend 20 seconds as the system recommend, make it a little bit not too faster for the students. Okay, and it's all depend on the level you're teaching. So you have here, you can upload an image. So we're going to upload an image that I already have here. Kahoot image. So we have it there, and then we place the answers, possible answer. So the first one, I would say it is a platform Then I will place, or I will put here, a game. It is fun. And none of the above. Okay, so that is the possible answers, and the correct answer, you checked it. Always remember to check it so the system can identify when there's a wrong or right answer. So we want to add another one. In this case, I would add a true and false just to make it different and not make it all of them the same typing questions. Okay, so here I will place the question: is Kahoot helpful to reinforce topics? Okay, the same process, the time limits, the points. You can either cut it down or place more points on it. So here the same process. You add the image or a YouTube link or a video. Okay, so in this case, instead of adding a image, let's do the YouTube link. So here you go to the YouTube link. Okay, let's get it here, and then we go here to YouTube and you find what you're looking for. In this case, I want to place Kahoot. Okay, and you place this one here. So here you're going to use the link. Okay, so here you're already adding the link for the video that you want to show them. So you add the video, and here is the video. Then you will choose the correct answer. Remember, always do check mark it so the system recognizes. Okay, so then we are done. We're just placing 2 questions for this activity. So we are done, and it gives you the options to test the Kahoot, which is a good option because you can see both sides, what the students will see and what you are seeing. Okay, what you have done. So here is the students option from the cell phone, so they will add the pin code. Okay, remember, I always to choose classic. I always choose classic. So here it gives you the code. Okay, so let's get it here. So the code for the students will be 25221. So enter, and then it asks you for a name. So in this case, we're going to place Mark. Go. You as a teacher will see once he is in the system for you to start the game and let him in. Okay, so we're not going to play start here because it's just showing you how you will see everything, right? So then you go back to the page you were, and here you can either play it now or share it. The system gives you different options for sharing, as you can see here on my screen. You copy the link and then you can transfer it to others. So done here, and that's a done deal. So now I will show you the second step, which is, or the second option, I'm sorry, which is using another Kahoot that is already in the system. So let's say we are teaching others. You go here where it says discover, and you want to say that we're teaching present perfect. Present perfect, and you get it there. It gives you different options about the present perfect. You don't want to get one that have 30 questions to make it that long, but you get something like 15 or less. So you get here, we have 14 questions. You choose that one. That'll make it easier for you. You don't have to create it. So here you are going to edit, just so you can check everything and see if that's what you want your students to see. So each system asks you to duplicate it, so you just yes, and then you use it. You can either change the title or leave it as it is. Okay, so you click done because you already have it, and it's there for you to use. Give you the same option to share it and do everything with the others. It's already in your file. So just here. So to conclude this, guys, and I hope it's very helpful for you guys. So yes, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, short tutorial, right? So as a conclusion, guys, I can say that Kahoot is a great ICT tool that can be implemented into any school. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. Okay, Kahoot is also fun and awesome way for students to work collaboratively towards a learning goal. Okay, so giving credits to the ones as Kahoot, right? You have Kahoot, you have screencast. So thank you. See you in the next channel. Bye bye.